Shopping Ideas. Find the best products to save your time and effort. Shopping Ideas presents 5 best cookware sets. Let's get started with the list.
Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1.
Cooking is one of the things that I enjoy most. Trying out new recipes, finding new ways to change up everyday dishes. It's all about being creative, and my Calphalon Classic Nonstick cookware lets me do just that. The nonstick surface releases food easily and helps me make meals with less oil or butter. This cookware is made of hard-anodized aluminum, so it's incredibly durable. Plus, there are these convenient and time-saving features, like measure marks on the inside of pans, built-in pour spouts that help eliminate messes when transferring liquids, convenient straining lids, which means there will be less to clean up during meal prep. I'm hosting tonight, so I'm making an Asian stir-fry. With cookware like this, it's so easy to create delicious meals. And it's all oven safe up to 450 degrees, so I can go directly from the stove to the oven. When I'm done, cleanup is a breeze, thanks again to the dual-layer nonstick surface. Calphalon cookware comes with a lifetime warranty, so I know it'll really last. The dishes I make are a reflection of me, and with the ease of Calphalon Classic Nonstick cookware, there are no boundaries to what I can create.